In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. This integration is a great way to keep your projects and communication in sync so you can see and manage ClickUp tasks right from Teams without jumping between tools all day. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have the two platforms connected and ready to use. First, open your ClickUp Workspace in your browser. You can start from almost anywhere inside ClickUp: your calendar view, a list, a board, or even your dashboard. The exact page doesn't matter for this setup, as long as you're inside the workspace where you want the integration available. Once you're in ClickUp, look toward the top or side navigation for an option labeled More. This can appear as a text button or as an icon with a small drop-down arrow, depending on your layout and any recent interface updates. Go ahead and click on More. This is where ClickUp keeps additional tools, apps, and integrations that aren't shown by default in the main menu. After you open the More menu, you'll see a list of options and integrations. Take a moment to scroll through if you need to, and then click on the highlighted Integration section. This is the area that contains all the apps you can connect to ClickUp, including Microsoft Teams. Don't worry if the order looks a little different on your screen. You're just looking for the section where external apps and services live. Next, locate and click on Microsoft Teams. This tells ClickUp that you want to set up or manage the connection with Teams. When you select it, ClickUp will usually open a panel or a new window explaining what the integration does, such as sending task notifications into Teams channels or allowing you to unfurl ClickUp links inside Teams. In that Microsoft Teams panel, look for the Connect button and click it. From here, all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account, choose the Teams organization and channel you want to connect, and confirm the permissions. Just continue through each step until you see a confirmation that the integration is connected. Once you've completed those prompts, your ClickUp and Microsoft Teams integration is set up, and you're done integrating.